That's good.
Bro, can you get this shit started already, nigga?
Oh, fuck. Alright.
Yeah. Alright, check it. The latest, the straightest, so yes, we are the greatest. Bet you never could fade us, and no one ever has paid us. It's that motherfucking king flow. I know you like my lingo. I hit it like bingo. We so fucking mean, though. I never done the dream, though. We gotta stay clean, bro. What? If you like the fucking sound, jump around. Jump around, motherfucker, jump around. Hit the town with that motherfucking beat. Take your seat, crazy ass fleet. I'm always gonna cheat, yes indeed. Study as a sheet, I'm buried like a seed. What the fuck do you need? Hella guilty, take a bleed, and I'm feeling elite. Like an old Star Wars blaster, I'm on you fucking bastards. The Ninja Turtle master, I wanna rap faster. There's nothing left to after. Like I said, we're so goddamn great. Watch us quickly demonstrate how we gonna kill this hate. Yeah, you know how we going and exactly how we flowing. The leaders and you voting, spitting real shit and you hoping. Like a sniper, we be scoping for the ladies that be throwing. It's got me fucking groping all the booty I be blowing. Jump around, motherfucker, jump around. Jump around, motherfucker, jump around. Jump around, motherfucker, MCD coming at you right, motherfucker, now jump around.
Yeah, I kick the shit mostly every night, dropping that shit that makes niggas wanna go and televise. It multiplies of a real class of thinking of one day if this shit will most likely be graphic. I steal your soul with the funky ass flow, that what makes us grow. Fertilizer all up in my brain though. There's no stress on learning your lesson, God bless and go to church one day, and that's the priest for my confession. The MC is coming back with a nice rhyme, telling all MCs, oh yeah, this is my time. So sit back and relax and let your mind cruise. Do you want your life or my bad man? I'll let you choose. So jump around to the scary ass song that make you move, make you groove, dancing all night long. MCD is on your mic, go ahead and sing along till the cops tell me it's fucking wrong. So yeah, jump around, niggas. Yeah.
Jump around, motherfucker, jump around. Jump around, motherfucker, jump around. I came right up and I walked right in with the game tied up. You know I socked them in the chin. Ain't no motherfucking sin. Yeah, that's how we get it in. From the Bay Area like it's tatted on my skin. No surprise, motherfuckers on the rise. And we so underground like a fucking disguise. Seen your girl walk through like damn them thighs. They busy taking my eyes, but goddamn that size. I ain't telling no lies. Nah, there ain't no prize. But jump around, motherfucker, jump around. Jump around, motherfucker, let me hear that clapping sound. Jump around, all my homies in the town. Jump around, jump around.
Yo, Zona, I feel it. Yeah. Check it. MCD, yeah, the real master of the shit. Richmond to the town, me and Zona keep it lit. Making the slap that would take these niggas back. Spitting tracks while I'm just sitting in the Cadillac. Free your body and your soul as I keep it true. Old school niggas know exactly how I do. So jump around till these stomping grounds before I let you bitch niggas down. So jump around, yeah, MCD is on this motherfucker. I know you gonna feel it. 2015 coming at y'all asses, nigga. Yeah.